Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make this cute pearl bucket bag with gold crystals. Let's get to it. So for this project you need some pearl beads. I'll be using size 18 millimeters in particular. Then you need your crystals size 8 and your fishing line 0.7 millimeters, then your scissors. To start, on the left hand side of our fishing line we want to add 6 pearl beads. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We'll drag 5 pearl beads down, then we cross both ends of our fishing line with the last pearl. Draw that down and this is what we'd have. The next step is to join our fishing line, both ends. We're gonna join them together like this. Then we'll take 1 pearl bead and pass it through it. Just gonna pass it through, not across, like this. And we're just gonna allow that pearl to sit in the middle of the circle. We want to locate the opposite side of where our fishing line is crossed. Right there, it's like the middle part, right? And we're gonna pass our fishing line across. We're gonna pass both ends of our fishing line across that pearl there, like this. The right goes to the left and the left goes to the right. Yeah, make sure you tighten it very well. The next step you want to take now is to add on the left hand side of your fishing line 1 crystal, 1 pearl, 1 crystal, 1 pearl and 1 crystal. Then we'll cross both ends of the fishing line into the last crystal we added. Draw that down. Tighten it. Next, we'll take the right hand side of our fishing line and go into the next pearl bead. On the left hand side of your fishing line, you want to add 1 pearl, 1 crystal, 1 pearl, and 1 crystal. Then you cross both ends of the fishing line into the last crystal. Draw that down. Repeat the same thing we just did. Go into the next one with the right hand side of your fishing line. On the left, you want to add 1 pearl, 1 crystal, 1 pearl, and 1 crystal. Cross both ends into the last crystal you added. Alright, you want to keep this going until you get to the second to the last bead. We are on the second to the last bead now. You want to repeat our usual step: 1 pearl, 1 crystal, 1 pearl, 1 crystal. Then you cross both ends into the last crystal. To complete the last bead, it's gonna be a little bit different. This time we're gonna go into this pearl and this crystal, not just 1 pearl, okay? So you want to take the right hand side of your fishing line into the pearl and into the crystal bead right there. Then you would proceed to add on the left hand side 1 pearl, 1 crystal, and 1 pearl. That would be all. Then you cross both ends of your fishing line with the last pearl. Tighten that, and now you have completed the second step of the base. To continue, you just want to take the right hand side of your fishing line, go into the next pearl there. Alright, then on the left hand side of your fishing line, you want to add 1 crystal, 2 pearls, okay, 2 pearls, then 1 crystal. Cross both ends into the last crystal. Drag that all the way down. Now look closely. This time we'll take the right hand side of our fishing line into the next gold crystal, not a pearl bead, okay? This step is very different from what we usually do. And on the left hand side, we want to add just 1 pearl and 1 crystal, okay? Then you cross both ends into the last crystal. Make sure that is tight. Next, you want to go into 2 pearls. You see how that is very different from what we usually do? We go into 2 pearls, 1 and 2, okay? Now on the left hand side of your fishing line, you want to add 2 pearls and 1 crystal. Then you cross both ends of your fishing line into the last crystal. Throw that down. Next, you want to go into the gold crystal with the right hand side of your fishing line. Go through it. Then on the left, we want to repeat what we did earlier. We add 1 pearl and 1 crystal. So just keep repeating these steps until you get to the second to the last bead. Okay, we are on the second to the last bead now. To complete it, on the left hand side of our fishing line, we want to add 2 pearls and 1 crystal. Then we'll cross both ends into the last crystal. Alright, tighten that. Then to complete the last bead, look, we are gonna go into that crystal and that crystal, okay? We're going into 2 gold crystals now. So we go into that and the other one. And then you would add just 1 pearl bead and cross both ends into that pearl you added. And that's it. That is all for the base of this bag. Okay, this is what your work should look like. Alright, on to the next step, which is starting the body of this bag. We want to go into the next pearl first, and then on the left hand side of your fishing line, you want to add 1 crystal, 2 pearls and 1 crystal. Then we'll cross both ends of our fishing line into that crystal. Draw that down, and this is what you have. You see, another line has begun forming. Next step, you go into 2 pearls, 1 and 2. Then this time on the left hand side of your fishing line, you add 2 pearls, then 1 crystal. Cross both ends into the crystal as usual. Drag it all the way down. Alright, so you just want to keep repeating this step. Okay, go into 2 pearls. On the left hand side, you add 2 pearls and 1 crystal. Let's keep this going until we get to the second to the last bead. Okay, let's go. Alright, the second to the last bead has been completed. To complete the last one now, we are gonna go into 2 pearls. Alright, 2 pearls and then the gold crystal. Then we finish it up with just 2 pearls. Okay, on the left hand side we add 2 pearls and cross both ends into the last pearl. Draw that down and tightly, and this is what we have. The next step to take is to go into the next pearl. Alright, and to start a new line, you know what comes? Do you remember? On the left hand side we add 1 crystal, 2 pearls and 1 crystal. Then we cross both ends into the crystal we added. So this was just our usual routine, you know. I want you to keep up with this till you reach your desired height. The height of this bag I'm making is 7 lines tall. So I'm gonna do this, repeat this until I get to my desired height. Yours can be 9, 10, depending on your preference, but yeah, that is what I'll be doing for this project. Alright, I'll bead this on my own now until I get to the 7th line. See you there. I'm back and I am finally at my desired height, 7 lines tall. Yeah, that is what this bag is, and this is what yours should look like. Right, we are moving on to another important step. Finally, that is attaching the handles of this bag. So I want to locate the middle of this bag, my preferred spots, and I'll be picking here. Next, I'll cut out a fresh fishing line and pass it through those 2 pearls I picked out. Draw that out and you make sure both ends of your fishing line are of equal length. Then you proceed to add on each side of the fishing line 4 crystals on the left, and on the right you want to do the same. Alright, so I will drag that all the way down. Then I'll join both ends of my fishing line like this and pass it through 10 pearl beads. You want to pass 10 pearl beads through that fishing line. Okay, that is complete. I will make sure it's very tight. I'll drag it very tightly now. Then I'll proceed to locate the opposite side of this spot I chose. I will count each side to get the middle. Alright, so this is where I'm going to go in. Now I'm going to split the fishing line, and on each side I would add 4 crystals like we did earlier. On the right you add 4 crystals, and on the left you add 4 crystals. Now look, hold on, let me locate the middle again. Okay, now I'm going to pass my fishing line across those pearl beads in the middle there. I'll pass it across. The right goes to the left and the left would go to the right. Okay, draw that out. Make sure you tighten it very well because that is very important for the sturdiness of your handle and your entire bag. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do now is to just pass around my fishing line. All right, I'm gonna go all around the bag now. Alright, I have passed my fishing line all around the bag. Now look, I know I am big on not tying your work, but when making this design it is very important that you tie your work. So you want to tie that multiple times, okay, to make sure the bag is very sturdy. This bead right here in particular, it's heavy, kind of heavy, so when pressure is placed on it multiple times it might snap if you do not tie. So I want you to tie your work, okay, but make sure when you tie you hide it very nicely. You do not just want to leave the knot open like that. You want to pass your fishing line and hide that knot. All right, okay, let's cut that out nicely and neatly, and this is what you have. Finally, we are done with this bag. This is what your work should look like. It should be this sturdy, you know, not loose, able to withstand pressure. I could go on and on, but yeah, this is what you should have. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please do not forget to like and subscribe for more, and stay tuned for more tutorials. This coming week would be loaded with a lot of interesting tutorials to learn from. Alright, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.